Okay, so the fourth question is the first and second ionization enthalpies of a metal are 496 and 4560 kilojoule per mole respectively. How many moles of HCl and H2SO4 respectively will be needed to react completely with 1 mole of metal hydroxide? 1 mole of metal hydroxide. Okay. So firstly, we know that ionization enthalpies indicate that the metal belongs to the first group. Since the second ionization enthalpy is very high, this one is very high, we know that the metal belongs to the first group. And since the first group has only one valence electron, therefore we know that the metal hydroxide will be of the type MOH. So now that we know this, we can now form the reactions with HCl and H2SO4. So our first reaction will be MOH plus HCl forms MCl plus H2O. And our second reaction would be MOH plus H2SO4 forms M2SO4 plus H2O. Now we must balance these equations. So the first equation is already balanced. And in the second equation, to balance it out, so that there is 1 mole of metal hydroxide, because that is what has been given to us in the question, we will balance it by adding half here and half here. Now the second equation is also balanced. So from this we can see that for 1 mole of hydrochloric acid, we required to react it with 1 mole of MOH. And for the second reaction, for half a mole of H2SO4, we required to react it with 1 mole of MOH. So the question was, how many moles of HCl and H2SO4 respectively will be needed to react completely with 1 mole of MOH? So our answer is 1 mole for HCl and half mole for H2SO4. So B, 1 and 0.5 is the correct answer. This here is the solution. Thank you.